Welcome to Vibratech Trainers and Consultant Private Limited. We are going to see an interesting area contact case study on fan. This is applicable for all types of industrial fans. Case study prepared by Vijayakrishnan Venugopal, Director of Vibratech Trainers and Consultants Private Limited, Chennai. He is a chartered engineer with more than 35 years of experience. He is an international vibration consultant and ISO certified vibration analyst Cat 3 certificate holder. Also, he is certified maintenance and reliability professional from SMRP. Fan we are going to see is directly coupled with motor of capacity 1000 kilowatts and 1000 RPM. The fan is mounted on steel frame on concrete floor at ground level without any anti-vibration mountings. Vibration measurements are taken in all three directions: horizontal, vertical, axial, in each locations. Measurement locations are motor non-drive end bearing, motor drive end bearing, fan drive end bearing, fan non-drive end bearing. Vibration data are collected in terms of displacement in microns peak to peak and velocity in millimeters per second RMS. Now onto the vibration limits. As per ISO standard and with our previous experience, when the velocity falls below 4.5 mm per second RMS, it's considered as good. When the velocity falls between 4.5 to 11.0 mm per second RMS, it is considered as fair. And when the velocity falls above 11.0 mm per second RMS, it is considered to be rough. This visit was basically carried out to assess the health condition, as high vibration levels were reported at certain speed, and if possible, reduce the amplification during stoppage for installation or changeover from GRR to VFD soft start. This equipment was analyzed at various RPM at 100% damper open condition to identify the speed at which higher vibration levels are recorded. Higher vibration levels were recorded between 550 RPM to 580 RPM. The table shows the measured values of maximum velocity recorded in fan drive end bearing horizontal direction in various RPMs. Though inspection of coupling and its bushes in static and dynamic condition carried out, inspection of base frame and foundation was carried out. Coasting down recorded at the time of stoppage to find out critical RPMs. Coupling inspection photos. Measurement location of base frame and foundation. Line diagram of measurement location. Measurement reading on fan drive end and non-drive end bearings. Area contact images. Coast down reveals highest amplitude at 551 RPM and 591 RPM. The health condition of this equipment is in rough category between 550 RPM and 580 RPM. At all other speeds, the vibration levels are less and the health condition of equipment is in good category, though axial excitations are indicated. Symptoms of nearness to critical speed indicated between 550 RPM and 580 RPM. Symptoms of coupling inaccuracies and dynamic misalignment between motor to fan indicated. Insufficient area contact between base frame to foundation, especially towards fan casing at both fan D side and NDE side identified. Vibration levels are high at these locations at 550 RPM and 580 RPM. Insufficient rigidity of both D and NDE pedestal base frame indicated. Before carrying out dynamic analysis, to shift the critical speed to speed other than preferred operating speed, or minimize vibration levels at critical speed, it is suggested to carry out below mentioned rectification, which relates to stiffness and mass, as both are major contributors to natural frequency. As loose fit is indicated between coupling bushes and bolt holes, measure the inner diameter of coupling holes using bore gauge or inside micrometer at every 45 degree on each coupling bolt hole, and ensure the diametrical difference is maintained with 0.05 mm. In case of deviation, it is suggested to replace the coupling and with appropriate bushes. Ensure at least 90% area contact is achieved after proper tightening of all foundation bolts to required torque. On inspection, insufficient area contact between fan base frame to foundation towards fan casing at both T and NDE noticed. It is suggested to pressure grout after ensuring proper bonding with existing civil foundation. On completion of above rectifications, if required, improve the rigidity of base frame by providing stiffeners in bearing pedestal base frame at both FANDI and NDE bearing side. Reassess the health condition, and in case still higher vibration levels exist, carry out dynamic analysis to shift the natural frequency above required operating speeds. Vibratech cater among all major industrial sectors. We conduct vibration analysis level 1 and 2 training programs online and also in plant. ISO certified vibration analyst category 1, category 2, category 3 training and examination. Services we provide are vibration analysis, in situ dynamic balancing, laser alignment, motor current signature analysis, thermography, building or ground vibration measurements. We also market and provide service for machinery vibration analyzers and meters, and low frequency building vibration analyzers.